Yuma, where the desert hides its secrets. The sun beats down, dust devils dance. Yuma, Arizona, a town forged in heat and hardship, where the Colorado River carves a path through the unforgiving desert. This is a place of whispers, of stories told in hushed tones under a sky full of stars, stories of outlaws and lawmen, of dreams lost and found. Yuma, a town where the past lingers, a shadow in the midday sun. Yuma Territorial Prison. Just the name sends shivers down your spine. It stands as a monument to a time when justice was harsh. The desert wind carries the echoes of the past, whispering tales of the souls who suffered within its walls. They say the desert holds its secrets close, but in Yuma, the secrets have a way of clawing their way to the surface. Yuma Territorial Prison. Built by prisoners, haunted by their memories, the scorching sun, the relentless heat, it was a living hell. Men worked under the watchful eyes of guards, their faces etched with the harshness of the desert. The air hung heavy with despair. Each brick in those walls held the weight of countless stories, tales of desperation, of men driven to the edge. Some were hardened criminals, others just souls caught in the web of circumstance. The punishments were brutal. Solitary confinement in the infamous snake den, a pit where the only companions were scorpions and rattlesnakes. The sweatbox, a tiny metal coffin baking under the desert sun. Yuma Prison, a stark reminder of the price of freedom lost. In the annals of the Wild West, few female outlaws cut a figure as striking as Pearl Hart. Don't let the name fool you. Behind those piercing blue eyes lived a spirit as wild as the land she roamed. Life had dealt Pearl a harsh hand. She turned to a life of crime, robbing stagecoaches with a sawed-off shotgun and a steely glint in her eyes. Her most daring heist? The holdup of the Globe stagecoach near Yuma. Picture this, the stagecoach rumbling through the desert, dust billowing in its wake. Suddenly, Pearl Hart, a vision in men's clothing, emerges from the brush. Her voice, surprisingly calm, demands the strongbox. She was a force of nature, a woman who defied expectations. Section 4, Golden Dreams, Desert Trials, The Road Through Yuma. The year is 1849. Gold fever grips the nation. And Yuma becomes a vital gateway to the California goldfields. A steady stream of hopeful prospectors, their wagons laden with dreams, brave the treacherous journey through Yuma's unforgiving landscape. The Colorado River, a lifeline in the arid wasteland, offered a treacherous crossing. Many perished, their dreams swallowed by the desert sands. But Yuma offered more than just a path to gold. It was a place of lawlessness, where saloons overflowed with whiskey and danger. Gambling dens and brothels thrived in the shadows. Yuma became a melting pot of fortune seekers, outlaws, and dreamers. A place where fortunes were made and lost in the blink of an eye. Section 5, Yuma's Legends, Echoes in the Dust. The sun sets on Yuma, casting long shadows across the desert. The stories of Yuma Prison, of Pearl Hart, of the Gold Rush, they linger like the heat of a summer day. These are more than just tales, they are echoes of a bygone era. They remind us of the resilience of the human spirit, the allure of freedom and the price of ambition. Yuma, Arizona, a place where history whispers on the wind, urging us to listen closely to the legends of the Old West. Section 6, Author's Note. Well, there you have it, folks. A glimpse into the heart of Yuma, a town where the desert holds tight to its secrets. As the years roll on, these legends remind us of the untamed spirit of the Old West, a time when life was as wild as the land itself. Remember, partners, history ain't just dates and names. It's the stories, the folks who lived them, and the mark they left on this world.